Hello everyone, this is your Mad Yogi Eileen. Now for this Espresso Yoga flow, you are welcome to bring yourself close to a wall, to a windowsill, or have maybe a chair close to you that can support your weight, yeah? No rolling chairs or light chairs that will collapse when you bring your weight on them. It has to be stable to stabilize you in the flow. Conversely, if you don't need any external support, you're welcome to keep your lifted legs lower so it doesn't throw us off and it will make sense when we do the flow, which is now. So stand, again, you don't need your mat for this, but if you want your mat, it does afford traction for your feet. So wherever you are, stand nice and tall, roll your shoulders. Deep full breath, and I'll do this side on, actually quarter on. And yes, I'm talking to keep you in the pose. I hope you're still rolling your shoulders. From here, hands either on your hips or interlace your arms behind you. This way, heels of the hands as close to you as they can go. And when you repeat these classes, you're welcome to just hop into the pose that you want, yeah? I'm doing it with my hands on my hips first. Curl your left leg up, standing on the right, and extend forward. Again, that leg doesn't have to be very high. You're welcome to start low. Breathing here. Bend your knee. Bring your foot towards the back, pointing the knee towards the back, and extend. Curl your leg back in. Turn from your hips, externally rotate that leg, ankle on top of your knee in a figure four, and bend. It doesn't have to be very deep, yeah? Extend, foot down. Simple, yeah? Simple. Other side, right leg curls up, extend. I'm starting low with my hands on my hips. Bend, hinge on your hips, point the knee down, back, and extend. Curl it back in, hinge on your hips, ankle on your knee, or on top of your knee rather, externally rotate that hip, and bend your standing knee. Keeping the back nice and straight, don't hunch, never hunch. Push yourself back up, foot down. Now, a few more repeats. I am going to progressively go a little more challenging. You're welcome to choose your poses, yeah? Left leg curls up, extend. Bend towards the back, warrior three. You're welcome to tilt your body a little deeper if you want. Lift. Curl your leg back high, rotate from your hip, figure four, bend your knee. A small click is enough, or if you can, body nice and low on your legs. Lift and release. You're welcome to march in place if your joints feel like they need that. To the other side, right leg curls up, extend. Bend, point the knee down, back, extend. Figure warrior three. You're welcome to tilt the body as deep or keep it as high as you want. Release the pose. Curl your moving leg as high as you can. Externally rotate from your hips. Land your leg figure four. A small click of the knee is enough. Or if you want to try, come deep, bending from the hips. We are not hunching. We're not dropping the head. Keeping the head lifted up and your body as close as it will go on your legs. And release the pose. Release the interlacing of your fingers if they're there. Roll your shoulders. Just one more. I think this is the most repeats we've had in our espresso yoga flows because it's simple, yeah? It's simple. It's just balancing poses. Choose your hand position on your hips or behind. I'm opting behind. Left leg curls up. Extend. Bend. Warrior 3 variation. Keeping your arms where they are. Release the pose. Curling your left leg as high as it will go. And set it for your figure 4. Small bend of your standing knee is enough, or bring your body nice and low on your leg. Breathing. Inviting a sense of courage into us. Lift, release. If you fall out of your poses, by the way, just release the pose. Don't compromise your balance and your stability. Yeah? Last one though. Last one. Right leg curls up. Extend. Bend. Warrior 3 variation. This one can throw us off our balance. If it happens, just come out of the pose. Release the pose, pushing yourself up. If you went low, curl your right leg as high as it can go and set it for our figure 4. A small bend of the standing knee is enough, or come nice and deep. Again, we're not hunching, we're not rounding the back, we're squeezing the back muscles, and even when we're low on our legs, the head is not dropping down. Push yourself up, release the pose, release your hands, and come back to our standing, breathing, brief meditation, which is just observing what is happening in our body, what's happening in our minds, and our emotions, especially for this courage inviting flow, building self-confidence and a sense of courage. Release the hands, release the arms, roll the shoulders. And if you're doing this at the top of the day, have a great day. If you did this midday just to reset yourself, have a nice rest of your day. Or if you did this at the end of the day, have a restful sleep. Bye.